SAS Interview Question and Answer, question number 81. What are the differences between Proc means and Proc summary? In case of SAS, two procedures, Proc means and Proc summary, are used to identify the statistics of the given dataset. This question is asking about what are the differences between these two procedures, that means the Proc means and Proc summary. There are following differences between Proc means and Proc summary. By default, Proc means procedure produces the printed result at the result window, but in case of Proc summary, it neither produces a printed result nor output dataset by default. We need to provide either print option or output result. When we provide print option, it will produce printed result. When we provide output statement, it will produce output dataset. To explain this question, class dataset is taken from SAS help library where only one variable is selected. Variable is age. Proc means data SAS class var age and run. When we run this first set of code, it will produce the result as shown below. The heading is the means procedure, analysis variable is age, and it will produce 5 statistics: number, mean value, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum. Similarly, when we use proc summary data SAS class, I am providing here print option. Print var age and run. When we run this second set of code, it will generate the result as shown below, which is exactly same as the proc means. Only the heading is different. The summary procedure, analysis variable is age, statistics are number, mean value, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum. Those are exactly same as proc means procedure. Next one is I am going to explain here what happened when we use output statement in place of print option. When we use output statement, proc summary produces the data set. Example is here, proc summary data SAS class var age. We provide here output statement and run. When we run this third set of code, it will generate the result as shown on the right side first table. This table has 4 variables: underscore type underscore freq underscore stat underscore and age. But this pattern is the SAS dataset. Such type of a dataset is required in case of clinical SAS. That is useful in case of clinical SAS programmer. Without var statement, what will happen? Let me use this code here. Proc means data SAS class and run. We have not provided here any var statement. It will produce by default, it will produce the statistics of all numeric variable. When we run this fourth set of code, the result is as shown on the second table right side. In case of variable section, it has 3 variables: age, height, and weight. These 3 variables are numeric variable in case of class dataset. That's why by default it produces statistics of all numeric variables. But in case of summary, proc summary, without var statement, when we use proc summary with print option, it will provide the result for only number of observation. That means when we run 5th set of code, it will result as shown on the last table or third table on the right side. It produces here only number of observation. Those numbers are 19. Similarly, when we run this set of code with a real SAS window, then it will generate the exactly same as I explained. Let me go through the SAS window and run this program. This is SAS window. It has 5 different programs as we explained before. First one is proc means. with var statement is. Second one is proc summary with print option and var statement is. Third one is proc summary with var statement is and output statement. Fourth one is proc means without var statement, that means by default. And fifth one is proc summary with print option without var statement. When we run this 5 set of code, then we will get the exactly same result we explained before. Let me run this 5 set of program and observe the result. This first result is obtained from proc means. That means the means procedure. It has number, mean value, standard deviation, minimum and maximum value. Analysis variable is age. Second one is from proc summary. Proc summary procedure, analysis variable age, number, mean value, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. These two results are exactly same. And third one is the means procedure. This is the procedure we obtain, a result we obtain without using var statement in case of proc means. That means that by default, in case of proc means procedure, it will produce the statistics for the all numeric variables. That's why we have here age, height and weight. In case of class dataset, there are only 3 numeric variables, age, height and weight. That's why we obtain here statistics for these 3 numeric variables by default. And fourth result is summary procedure result. By default, that means without var statement, it gives only number of observation. This is we obtain from print option. And next one is here, when we provide output statement in case of proc summary, it produces, as we explained before, it produces SAS output dataset, which is exactly shown here. It has 4 different variables: underscore type underscore, underscore freq underscore, underscore stat underscore, and age. And we explained as before, such type of the statistics are useful in case of clinical data preparation. In this way, we can differentiate between proc means and proc summary in case of SAS. That's all about question number 81. Thank you.